So we will take a look at how you can create the icon with AI in Canva, right? So you have to click Canva AI. Now we will see create an icon that shows the water intake indication. So half glass full, showing water intake, okay, with some drops on the top, right? So this is something we can do in single credit with Canva AI. So we'll simply see create an icon. You can even specify the maximum possible size for that, right? And within that bracket you can see 500 by 500, and we click submit. That should create the icon. And so here you can see we have like multiple of those options, out of which you can see this first and second seems to be good for your example. Third and fourth doesn't look like glass, they look more or less like some sort of a jar, right? So we'll go with this one. Here you can see it allows you to also download the particular icon. You can download and then open file. You can see it looks like this. Now your job is to just save this particular one by removing the background. Other than that, you have created the icon using Canva AI, and that took around only 1 credit, right? So basically simply say open in editor, and then at the time of export you just have to say what we have here, okay, right? So in shares, in downloads, simply say transparent background, so that will clear everything else, right? So simply download this and you will have this background of blue removed, and even this particular color out of that particular background is likely to be removed in some odd cases, but that may happen. So you get the idea how to create an icon with Canva AI.